Hi guys, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our shared page object. Okay, previous video you can see right hooks. I have explained how hooks we can able to create and how what are the hooks we have in our Playwright and Cucumber. Right, the similar format now the hooks we created for one location and also login steps we have created another location. But last time just I created for only consoles and we are not created for the page objects, right? Now we are going to implement this particular hooks, okay? And we can able to see whether we can able to do it or not, okay? For this hooks, we can able to create in a steps location or we can able to create for another folder which is utility because the hooks is basically we are going to create like a page objects, right? In these page objects we are going to create our pages and we are not going to create like this every page. Like tomorrow registration again we need to create for this particular registration purpose, the browser concept we need to create, and again we need to create the object and we need to use that particular object. These are lengthy wise, right? And doing this we can able to create a single location for page, and that particular page we can refer for all the step definition files. Okay, for this we can create here or else you can create for utility. Why utility is I'm saying, right? Utility is basically it will save us like all, if any new member is coming, which is a utility folder is basically storing for reusable methods or functions. In a project we can able to create inside a utility folder, then a new member also can able to understand where exactly the file it is present. Okay, I'm going to create a file called utils. Okay, in this inside the utils make it as a small u. Okay, and I'll drag this one into here. Okay, and then I'm going to use for one more file called page factory, or we can call it as a phase fixer, or we can able to call it as a phase functions. Any name is fine. Okay, just I'm using for phase fixers dot ts file. Okay, and now in this particular location I'll write for some couple of things. uh, Here we have read this particular things will copy up to here. I'll come back, paste it here. Okay, then we can import from cucumber. Okay, and here what are the things we can able to use. Before all and after all. Okay, these are the two things I'm going to mention, and even you can able to use for remaining things also by using the steps, that also it will work. Okay, and now in this particular fixtures we can able to create our pages, browser and browser context and page. Okay, now here I'm going to use for before all the steps I'm going to run for my one particular browser. Okay, before all, and this is basically a async function and I'm going to use for function. Okay, and inside this I'll create for first a browser equal to, and we need to import for chromium as well. Okay, so chromium is added there, sorry. Await chromium dot launch, and here we can able to use for headless false. Okay, and then we can able to use for browser context equal to await browser dot a new context. Okay, and then here page equal to await context dot new page. Okay, now we are able to create for new page here. I'm going to creating for only for page. Okay, we'll see for how we can able to create also. Okay, one by one, and then I'll copy this particular step and I'll come back to the future pictures, and I'll mark it here at the page, and remaining things I'll remove. Okay, and then we can create for one line export constant page picture. Okay, is equal to, and here I'm going to create for a page colon page. Okay, I'll mark it as let page colon page. Okay, now just I'll only make it as a page, and we can mark as a undefined also, that is also fine. Okay, and now in this particular feature we can import into our hook location. Okay, because we need to access for all the location that particular page. Page pictures. Okay, and I'm going to use for here page picture dot page equal to a page. Okay, now it is say that undefined only, but no issue. Can use for @ts ignore. Okay, that ignore it will be ignoring as page. Okay, and now we are able to use for by using for this particular page we can able to call it all the location without invoking for all the places. Just we can able to invoke it. Okay, and then here we can able to use for after all async function, and then we can create it here, and even I can able to use it here, this particular name page dot close. Okay, this is the one, and then we need to close for context dot close. We need to mark it as await, and here also await, and we need to close for browser as well, await browser dot close. Okay, all the things we need to close once it is completion. Okay, now we created for fixer and we created for here as well, and then we need to re-implement. Okay, this we need to remove. Okay, and here, sorry, we can only remove this, the one. I'll comment it this particular step, and I'll import page fixtures utilities. Okay, and then I'm going to use for this particular one to mark it as here dot page. Okay, and I'm going to use, this is not required here because there's no need to create again, and we can directly hit it here as well, because we are already created here hooks location we have already created, right? Then we can directly use it here, and also this also not required because we are already created. another location, right? Now just we can replace all the locations. These two also not required because after all closing we can, even we are using for close function. In case if something is open, then we can close it as well. Okay. Now two steps are got fixed and any step, no, right? Only one particular step. Okay. Now we can see now. We'll go for terminal and new terminal, and hooks one it is not required. I'll go for cucumber location login function. These login scenarios or anyone it is okay. I'll take this login dot feature. Okay, login dot feature we are going to hit now in this particular feature one. Okay, hooks one I'll deleting this one. Okay, this is easy, right? Now I'll run this particular file which is login file. Whether we are able to access or not, we can see. Okay, go to step is not there. Sorry, this particular relative path I'll copy relative path and cucumber location we are in here. Okay. Here required location is there. Right? Here we can because it is reading for all the files, right? We need to read this go functionality. Then only it will read it. And required location I just I change it. One step got passed and one scenario and two scenarios are there. One scenario passed failed, one scenario got passed, one step failed and two skips and three got passed. Okay, but it is hitting and also it is running as expected without any issue. One more time I will run. At least it is running for that, right? Now we are able to run like this. We can able to create one place and remaining all the locations we can able to see. After closing automatically it will close for all the things. Okay, even context and browser and everything it will do it. Okay, and one step got failed because of something it is not able to read properly. Context of browser has been closed. Okay, and maybe because of this one place and another place steps location. Twice I closed it. Okay. Okay. Only browser we need to close that particular page. And now see all the things are only for the browser context also I close it, right? That's why it is failed. Otherwise it will pass. Okay. Now you can see, right? Next video session time we can see for how to take some small HTML screen report and also how we can able to take for failed or passed screenshot and we can add it. Okay, these two things we can discuss into our next video session. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.